Tariq, Assistant Professor in Biani Girls College. Today I am going to start symmetric algorithm, and this is a very important algorithm because in this algorithm we use only the single key, means there is a private and public key is the same. So DES is the first symmetric algorithm that we have to discuss today. DES means data encryption standard, and this is the very important in the symmetric category of the algorithm, and we can say this is the backbone of the symmetric algorithms. So what is data encryption standard? Data encryption standard basically consists of the 16 rounds. And what are the basic working of the DES means how DES works. DES works on the 64-bit plain text, means the length of the size or length of the plain text is 64-bit and the key size is 56-bit key, and the DES will work on the 64-bit plain text and the 64-bit ciphertext will be generated. So this is the basic steps of the DES. But the one question is here is the size of the plain text is 64-bit, but here we are using the 56-bit key. Why? And the ciphertext again will generate in the 64-bit. We will see that equation in the next rounds how the size of the key will be reduced. Means initially the 64-bit key will be used in the DES, but the every 8th bit of the key is discarded. Means 8th, 16th, 24th, 32th and 48th bit will be discarded for DES, and only the 56-bit key will be work on DES. In the next step we will see again the size of the 56-bit key will be transformed and the plain text will be divided into the two halves, left plain text and the right plain text. So actually the DES works like that, means 64-bit plain text, 56-bit symmetric key means there is only a single key for a whole the encryption process, and the 64-bit ciphertext will be generated. So actually what happens in every DES there are the 16 rounds, and the 16 rounds will be performed basically on the left plain text and the right plain text. So initially the first step is here is the plain text means PT. The size of the plain text is 64-bit. Then the initial permutation will be performed on the plain text. Initial permutation means every bit is changed with the next bit, or the suppose we are changing the bits from the position of 58th bit. So every bit position will be changed in the initial permutation, means some permutation combination will be applied on the plain text, and the left plain text and the right plain text will be generated after applying the initial permutation. And the size of the LPT and RPT is 32-bit and 32-bit. Next, the 16 rounds, when after doing the initial permutation LPT and RPT will be generated, then the 16 rounds will be performed on the LPT and the RPT text, plain text. Then after 16 rounds the LPT and RPT will be combined, and the final FP means final permutation will be done on the LPT and RPT, and at last ciphertext will be generated, and the size of the ciphertext is 64-bit. So this is the main process of DES, and DES, as I already said, this is the big backbone of the symmetric algorithm. Means this is the first algorithm, and the time period of the DES when it was first diagnosed is 1972. After that more advanced technology will be applied on the data encryption standard, and finally the DES will be generated. Many companies are using that algorithm or standard in their companies and their technologies to provide the better security. So this is the DES. So first we will discuss what are the 16 rounds, what combination or what techniques will be applied in the 16 rounds. So here are the basic steps in the 16 rounds. First is the key transformation, then the expansion permutation, then the X box substitution, P box permutation, and last step is XOR and swap. In initial permutation we will not apply the 16 rounds. When after the initial permutation LPT and RPT will be generated, In LPT and RPT we will apply the 16 rounds, and these are the steps of the 16 rounds. So first step is key transformation. In key transformation, as I have discussed already, initially the size of the key is 64 bit. Then every 8th bit of the key is discarded and the size of the key is generated is 56 bit key. So again we will do some transformation on the key and we will generate the 48 bit key with the 56 bit key. And what are the steps for the key transformation? Now we will discuss how the key transformation transform the key size from the 56 bit key to 48 bit key. So we will discuss the first step of the second round is the key transformation. Key transformation means initially, as I have discussed, 64 bit key, then the every 8th bit key is discarded and produce the 56 bit key. Now we will reduce the size of the 56 bit key to the 48th bit key. So what we will do in the key transformation, first we divide the 56 bit key into the two halves, and each half size is 28 bit and 28th bit. Now the 28 bit key will be circulated, left shifted, circulated. So circularly we shifted the left key, and when the empty space will be generated, then the empty space will be circularly left shifted by the 1 or the 2 positions. So here is the diagram. Suppose there are 16 rounds and number of key bit will be shifted circularly, suppose one or 2 position only. So we will decide in which round the circularly left shift will be in 1 position or the 2 positions. So here we have decided the round number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be circularly left shifted by the 2 positions, and the remaining rounds will be circularly left shifted by the 1 positions. So after the circularly left shifted, the remaining key will be generated, that is the size of the key is 48th bit key. So in this way key transformation step will be done. Now the second step in the 16th round is expansion permutation. Expansion permutation means we will expand the size of the plain text, right plain text, from 32 bit to 48 bit key, 48 bit plain text. So why we are expanding the size of the right plain text? Because here the key transformation, after key transformation step, the key size is 48 bit key. So we have to produce the size of the plain text, means right plain text, also the 48 bit key. Initially, as I said, the size of the right plain text is 32 bit. So we will expand the size of the right plain text from 32 to 48 bit key. And how the step will be performed? So here is the RPT, and RPT actually all the rounds will be performed only on the RPT, means right plain text. What is the use of the left plain text? In the last we will see how the left plain text will also be used in the 16 rounds. So initially the expansion permutation will be performed on the right plain text, and the size of the right plain text is 32 bits. So we divide the 32 bits into the block 8, means block 1 to block 8, and the size of the each block is 4 bits. And in the expansion permutation, we will convert this 4-bit block size into the 6-bit so that we can generate the 48-bit RPT. And how it will perform? First we write the 8 blocks, and each block size is 4 bits. Now we will perform some expansion permutation on that. Means first block will be the 2-bit, 2 block will be shifted into the 3 bit will be shifted into the 4, and 4 bit will be shifted into the 5. Then what will happen to the 1 and 6? 1 bit will come from the 32 bit, means the position of the 32 bit will be changed from the first bit, and the 6th bit will be changed from the 5th bit of the 4-bit block size. So in this way the 6-bit block will be generated, and the 8 block will be generated, and the size of the each block is 6-bit, means 8 into 6 means the RPT size is 48 bit. Again I am explaining here, the 1, 2, 3, 4 bits are as it is copied into the 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the first bit will be shifted with the 32 bit, and the 6th bit will be shifted with the 5th bit of the 8 block 4-bit size blocks. So in this way the 8th block of 6 bits are generated, means the RPT size will be 48-bit key. Now the third step is X box substitution, and now the X box substitution I will discuss in my next video lecture. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website gurukpo.com. Thanks a lot.